In this video, you'll learn how to fit images inside a frame in Adobe InDesign using the different fitting options. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control whether your image stretches, fits, fills, or simply centers inside its frame. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure you have the selection tool active. This is the black arrow in the tools panel. With that tool selected, click once on the image frame you want to adjust. It's important that you select the frame itself, not the content inside it, so that InDesign knows you want to change how the image sits inside that container. With the frame selected, go up to the top menu and choose Object, then hover over Fitting. This is where you'll find all the main options for controlling how the image behaves inside its frame. As you start using these, it helps to watch both the image and the frame edges so you can see exactly what each command is doing. The first option you'll see is Fit Content to Frame. This forces the image to match the frame's height and width exactly. It stretches or squashes the image if necessary, which means the proportions may be distorted. This can be useful if the image isn't critical or if you're working with simple graphics like backgrounds or patterns, but you'll want to be careful using it on photos or logos since they can look warped very quickly. Next is Fit Content Proportionally. This scales the image up or down so that the entire image fits inside the frame without any distortion. The proportions stay accurate, which is usually what you want for photos. However, you might see some empty space along the top, bottom, or sides of the frame if the image and frame don't share the same aspect ratio. That extra space can be filled with a background color or adjusted later, but the key benefit is that your image won't be cropped or stretched. Another powerful option is Fill Frame Proportionally. This also keeps the proportions of the image correct, but instead of making sure the entire image is visible, it makes sure the entire frame is filled. That means no empty space, but parts of the image may be cropped off. This is ideal when you want a frame completely covered, like a full bleed image or a background photo, and you're okay with losing some edges of the image to achieve that look. You'll also see center content. This one does not scale the image at all. It simply moves the image so it's centered inside the frame. This is helpful when you've already sized the image the way you want and just need it positioned neatly, or when you're combining it with manual adjustments. For quick access while you're working, you don't always have to go to the top menu. You can right-click directly on the selected frame and choose Fitting from the context menu. The same options will appear there, saving you a bit of time and keeping your cursor closer to your layout. If you find yourself using the same fitting option over and over, you can set it up to happen automatically. Go to Preferences, then Frame Fitting. Here, you can establish default fitting settings so that every new image you place will auto-fit according to your preferred method. This is especially helpful in template-based projects or long documents where consistency and speed matter. That's all you need to confidently